8-foot cast net that I have mended on 150 times. I've tore it up many times, but I just keep mending it back because it's so expensive. And you can mend these back. You know, it's still got a few holes in it, but it's still catching plenty of shad for me, so that's a good thing. The wind's blowing a little bit, you know, which makes it a little bit hard to spot them. I've got my sonar on, trying to you know, see them on the sonar, and but it's just something we're just gonna have to wait and see, you know. So anyway, let's see if we can get on a few here. So what you want to do, we're in about 8 foot of water, but what you want to do is you're just going to kind of gaze out through the water, and you'll see them jump, kind of pop top of the water. It's the water's 56 degrees right now, so, and you can see that little smooth spot in the water right there, and that's kind of where we're looking at, and we're going to see if we can't get on some shad and use them to fish this afternoon. There's one jump right there, see him right there, so we're going to ease right on up there to him, and we're going to try to pancake this right over that spot. So what you want to do is get your motor in your boat headed in that direction, and then just step off your trolling motor and kind of let it be kind of quiet, and you should see them jump here in just a second again. If we don't, we're going to throw it right back out there, and so here we go. And being that it's not very deep, we're not letting it hit the bottom very much, so there we go. Alright, good deal. You see, we've already got some in there, but this is going to make us just a few more. Now the smaller ones, you want to throw them back if you can. So we're going to throw him back. We're going to throw that one back. And we got a few here caught in the gill net. We're going to try to just throw back in the water. See, they'll get caught right there, and you know, you got to be careful. All right, there's one. There's two. You just kind of spread that net, and then just pull them out. Just want to keep on looking to see if you clear your net. Here's one right here. There you go. Okay. Next thing you want to do is just get your net all fixed up, and I'm doing pretty good, so I'm just gonna, I see some more jumping right out there, but we don't need no more for what we're gonna do today, so I'm just gonna lay my net right there. I'm gonna put a little bit more water in the tank for those ones that we have. Give him a little bit more there. Now. Only thing I'm thinking is the catfish are probably wrapped up in the mud. So we're going to try to get back out on the main body just a little bit. I haven't seen anything up here. And see what we can do. Alright, let's go find a place to fish. Okay guys, we got 3 rods out in the water. We're trolling at 0.5 mile an hour. It's 56 degrees in the water. I got a planer board out on my right, a planer board out on my left. I got one right out in the middle. And so we are going to go right out toward the main body there and see if we can get on a pretty good sized catfish. I got shad and I've got chicken on the line. So we're going to give them whatever they think they need. Alright, we'll check back in a minute. Alright guys, we got one on the line. Let's see what we got. Woohoo! Finally got one in the boat. Ain't in the boat yet. I don't know how big he is. This current and wind is so bad, it's hard to tell. There he is. Okay. We'll take him. Oh. See if I can just pull him up out of the water here. There you go. Woohoo! We got one. Alright, finally got one in the boat. Hey, 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 it's a catfish today. Woohoo! He got a little mark on him right there. I don't know what that was from. He's blue. Looked like he'd been down in the mud a little bit. But, hey, we'll take him. Alright.